So, hello. If you're wondering what you exactly get for €1, uh, this is it. A Optiplex 710. Here. It has a Wi-Fi dongle. I got this with it. So Wi-Fi is no problem now. Okay. I got this whole Optiplex for free. And here's what it is. Under this DVD drive was a failing hard drive, so I changed it out to another hard drive. We have a SSD that cost me absolutely nothing. I got it with a PC that had that power supply, and this is the thing that is the €1. Here, let me show you. It's a GT635. It has DVI, HDMI. This back isn't for it. I got it from a GT605, I think. So I got this for €1 a few months ago in the flea market. And also, this is a second gen i3, and we have a total of 8 gigs of RAM DDR3. One stick was already in it, and I put another 4 gig that I got for free too in it. I could have made it like 12 gigs, but for some reason it didn't accept other DDR3 I got from the trash. So yeah, I should put it here in the frame a little. We will be playing a few games on this, so let's get into the video. Okay, so now that we are back into the PC, here it is, a i3-8240. It has 2 cores, 4 threads. Here's the 8 gigs of DDR3 RAM locked at 1600 megahertz. Here's the GPU, a GT635. It is this one, yeah. GT635, release date in 2013, 1 gig of DDR3 VRAM, driver date 2021. So yeah, it's pretty recent, I would say. DirectX support 12. Yeah, I'm kinda surprised about that too. Okay, so let's get into the games now. Okay, so fucking hell, I cannot turn this menu off. What the hell? Bro, turn this shit off. What the? Finally. So here we are in BeamNG Drive. It's lowest settings, 800 by 600 resolution, and yeah, you can really feel that it's 800 by 600. Oh wow, both of them are equally shit because they were like almost at 100 them both, so that's good, I guess. Both being shit is better than one being shit and making the other shit too. We could like put in a better GPU, but I don't have any better ones, so yeah. Also, we'll turn this thing on so we can see our lowest, average and such FPS. I tried to run this in 1080p lowest, it crashed the game, and 720p it did the exact same. So yeah, I will go ahead and crash, I guess. Yeah, did not really impact the frames. You know what, if your standards are low enough, you could play like this. Okay, so here we are in GTA 4. Oh wow, yeah, the stutters never go away. So let me show you the settings. 768p, 70 Hz, like lowest settings and definition on, because otherwise it makes the game look so fucking shit. Uh, yeah, I will turn on this. Okay. So, yeah, it's, I don't know, like, I don't know what to say, frankly. Yeah, it's stuttering a little, but it is above 30 FPS. But no damn way, this is better than the Xbox 360. Like, holy cow, bro. Fuck. Oh damn. Thug life. So we do reach like 50 FPS sometimes, and there's a lot of popping in. Uh, we got lowest 15 FPS, average 42. I will go and turn on. I will just go to the next game now. So here we are in GTA 5. Here is the settings I'm using right now. Hold on, fucking hell. What the fuck? Why did it? Yeah. So DirectX 10, 720p, all lowest settings. There is no VSync, so I can like show the full FPS, I guess. Yeah. This is okay. I will turn on that benchmarking shit. Actually, like when I was making a test run before recording, it was getting 50 FPS. Okay, so yeah, like 30 FPS, we are doing pretty okay, I guess. Hold on, give me. Fuck. So, yeah, if you're getting 30 FPS, there is stutters, some pretty major ones, some that. Oh, what the did you see that? Oh yeah, the Goon Mobile also. How the fuck did I get into this? Oh, okay. I thought we crashed or something. So, yeah, about 30 FPS, 720p, lowest settings, a lot of stutters. It looks pretty shit, like, oh wow. You can see the stutters, you can see how the trees are not really loading in back there, and they look shit. But I mean, yeah, this is €1 PC, this is, it's a miracle it even launches the game. Okay, oh, what the fuck? Okay, off to the next game. Okay, here we are in fucking CS2. Yeah, for some reason Afterburner does not work, and to be fair, this feels horrible. A lot of lagging, stuttering, getting 10 FPS. I'm playing against pause because I'm fucking ass at the game. This is absolutely lowest setting, 720p. And holy fuck, 10 FPS, bro. If this was against real players, I could not even get a single kill. Imagine going competitive, like going into a competitive team, and this is your fucking setup. Fucking hell, can you stop? Yeah, okay. Not much to say, a lot of input lag, it lags a bunch. About 10 FPS the whole time. I think this is like in the lowest settings. Like, we should rent this game by what fucking Valve says. I think with 16 gigs this would be a lot better, but I mean, it is a i3 CPU and a 1 gig GPU. By all means, you should be running this shit. Okay, this is horrible and I don't feel like playing this more. It even gets only 16 FPS in the tunnels. Okay. So in conclusion, it's fucking fine, bro.